Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add new product category for your site inside 123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have categories in your site or like e-commerce on your site. Then just click here, manage page. In manage page, you will be here in catalog. So you want to just add new category here, and let's add it t-shirt. Save. And here we got it. In the moment when you're gonna add a new product, it will be on your thumbnail. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And this is homepage, main categories. Yes, that's how we do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's kind of it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.